angular momentum based push recovery. And as you can tell, this robot is like safe and very huggable.
And during the time, we had to hand over and regress it in the air. So it was very, very difficult to plan.
And we can control this with a 3D mouse or just commanding fixed trajectories.
There we used the NCF stability margin to select postures of high robustness that will result in low magnitudes of induced base oscillation.
So we carried out this experiment with and without the robot in order to measure different metrics, to carry out some statistical tests to understand the usability of these proposed technologies for this kind of tasks.
It's a new generation of fingers. The contact area is not a single point, it's the full finger because it rotates freely.
And now, when a full box comes, but it starts with an empty box because it doesn't have any vision sensors, and it will lift it, it detects something is wrong. So it switches to the now full box strategy.